Before I begin, I want to make a big announcement. The full Igbo calendar is now available for your Apple and Google Calendar. I have created a calendar that tells the 13 moons, 4 market days, and different holidays and correlating rituals across the whole of Igbo land, as well as breakdowns of what they mean and the stories behind them. This is available for all patrons who join our community. To support this channel at patreon.com/The Medicine Show. This is how man and women were created. In Igbo tradition, Ana, the earth, erected 2 termite hills, as it is said that Ana gives with both hands. But these were not ordinary termite hills, rather cosmic wombs that nested a great gift. When the time was right, Amadioha, the Abara of lightning and thunder, struck both hills with a bolt, which itself was the spark of life. It was then that they burst open, and 2 beings emerged, a human woman, human man, and from there the first people were born into creation from Ana, the first mother. Today, a conical mound or pyramid is still the symbol of Wamumu, the manifesting and procreative energy given to all things, but most alive in women. And often you will see this shape in altars and rituals or shrines, and even within the household as the pyramid channels and represents the womb of universal manifestation. I have a video called Momo Explained where I go into this concept for those who are interested, and I've left the link below. After Ugaka came